Hello everyone, I'm Yash from Ideabox Creations, and today in this video we will see how you can customize your formidable form with the Elementor Page Builder. For this tutorial, we'll be using Powerpack Elements Formidable Form widget, so make sure you have the Formidable Forms plugin, Elementor plugin, and the Powerpack Elements add-on installed and activated on your website. Let's start with our customization. Go to the page where you want to add the formidable form and open it using Elementor Editor and look for the Formidable Form widget. Make sure you see the double P icon at the top right corner of the Formidable Form widget. So that means Powerpack's Formidable Form. We'll be using this widget for this tutorial. Drag and drop the widget on the page. Now the first thing that we need to do here is select a contact form. Go ahead and select a contact form from the contact form list. Now in the content tab, you get a bunch of options for customization of your content. You can enable custom title and description. You can also change if you want to display title and description which comes with the formidable form you have created. And further, you can enable or disable labels and placeholders. Let's disable the title and description for this tutorial. Now moving on to the errors, you can choose if you want your error messages to be shown or not. You can just select hide and the messages won't be displayed in your contact form. Once you're done with these settings, we can move on to the styling. Here you can customize title and descriptions, labels, input and text area, field descriptions, placeholders, radio and checkboxes, submit button errors, and confirmation message. If you have title and description on your contact form, you can just go ahead and change the alignment, text color, typography, margin for title and description separately. Coming to labels, you can change the text color and can customize the typography here. Once you are done with the labels, we can move on to the input and text area. Here you can change the alignment, background color, border, text indent, width and height, and padding, spacing, typography, as well as the box shadow for all the fields in your contact form. Now, if you have field descriptions in your contact form under the fields, you can change the text color, typography, and spacing for all of them. Now coming to the placeholder, here you can change the text color of your placeholders by selecting the color from the palette. Now radio and checkboxes, you get the default styling here, but if you want to go with a custom styling, you can just go ahead and enable custom styles option in the radio and checkbox. You can change the size, color, and the border for checkboxes as well as radio buttons. This is what our radio buttons and checkboxes looks like right now. Now moving on to the submit button. Here you can change the alignment, width, background color, text color, border radius, padding, margin, typography as well as box shadow. Moving on to errors. Since we have enabled errors, we can customize what our error messages looks like. You can change the text color, background color, typography, border for all the errors that will show up in your contact form. You can customize the error field label as well as the error field messages, typography and text. And for the confirmation message, you can make almost all the same changes that we just saw with the errors tab. Let's go ahead and make some margins and padding changes. Let's add some border and box shadow to our feedback form. Once you are done, you can just go ahead and update your page and see what your form looks like. Alright, so after making all those changes, this is what our final form looks like. Let's give this form a try. As you can see, our form is submitted successfully. Let me know what you think of the Formidable Forms widget, and if you guys found this video useful, do leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.